Want to master semantic, reusable design systems in Figma that support dynamic themes like light, dark, modern, or even your favorite brand themes? In this tutorial, I'll show you my step-by-step process to create an efficient, scalable design system that saves time and effort while delivering stunning results. In my design system, I've organized everything into 3 core layers: 1 primitives, the foundation with raw values like colors, spacings, and typography; 2 tokens, where we define theme variables like primary, secondary, and status-based colors; 3 map styles, the final layer where we assign tokens to UI elements like borders, surfaces, icons, and more. Let's start with the primitive layer. This is where I define the raw design data, hex codes for colors, spacing values, and typography styles. For example, I list base colors like hashtag FF5733 or hashtag 4CAF50, spacing like 4px, 8px, and so on, and all font styles like headings, body text, and captions. Think of it as the building blocks of your design system. These values stay constant and are reused in the next layers. Now, let's move to the token layer, which adds meaning to the primitives. Here, I group the raw values from primitives into functional design tokens. For example, colors like primary, secondary, info, error, success, warning, and disabled are linked to the hex values in the primitive layer. Typography styles like heading, subheading, and body reference the font data. I also add theme-specific tokens like modern theme, brand theme, or even your favorite theme mode, so switching themes is as easy as toggling variables. Finally, the map layer connects everything to specific UI elements. This is where I define the functional usage of tokens for text, body text, heading, or subheading. For borders, active, inactive, and focused; for surfaces, background, card, and modals. Even icons, toggles, and buttons. This layer also handles theme modes like light and dark themes. For instance, text on dark will use light colors from the token layer, text on light will reference dark colors. The beauty of this system is how seamless and scalable it is. When you toggle between light and dark themes in the map layer, every component updates instantly. Need a new theme? Just update the token layer with brand-specific colors or another style preference, and it propagates across your designs. This approach is fully reusable, meaning you can apply it to any design system or project with minimal effort. Before wrapping up, let me share a few tips. 1. Keep your naming conventions consistent. For example, prefix theme tokens with theme or mode dash. 2. Test all modes, light, dark, modern, and brand themes, using Figma's prototype mode. 3. Save components and styles in your theme library to make collaboration seamless. And there you have it, an easy way to create semantic, reusable design systems in Figma. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite tip or question. I'd love to hear your thoughts.